Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up shipping on Squarespace. First, navigate to your Commerce panel and select Shipping. Here, you will see options to add new shipping profiles. We'll start by creating a profile for domestic shipping, then move to international. Remember, clear shipping rules prevent customer confusion and reduce cart abandonment. Let's get your products moving efficiently. Now, let's configure your shipping zones. Click Add Shipping option and choose flat rate or weight-based. For flat rates, you might set a $7.00 charge for all orders within a specific country. If using weight-based, you could charge $5.00 for items under 1 kilogram and $10.00 for items over 1 kilogram. This flexibility allows you to accurately reflect your actual shipping expenses. Next, we'll look at advanced options like carrier-calculated rates. Squarespace integrates with major carriers to provide real-time shipping quotes, ensuring accuracy for both you and your customers. You can also offer free shipping for orders over, say, $75.00, which is a great incentive. Don't forget to review your fulfillment settings to streamline your order processing and label printing. Finally, it's crucial to test your shipping setup. Place a few dummy orders to ensure all rates and zones are working correctly. Periodically review your shipping costs versus what you're charging to maintain profitability. Shipping can impact customer satisfaction, so optimization is key. And speaking of optimization, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.